After each use, rinse the whisking cup with water. And dry it thoroughly. If stains are noticeable, remove the whisk and wash it with a soft sponge using lukewarm water. Wipe the main unit with a tightly wrung soft cloth. Remove the nozzle unit and wipe it with a tightly wrung soft cloth as well. To prevent dust or insects from entering, attach the nozzle cover during cleaning. To remove the front panel with wind protection, lift it from the center at the bottom. Wipe the panel with a tightly wrung soft cloth. Clean the cup tray in the same way. For cleaning the mill units, disassemble them one at a time. Remove the top cover and take out a mill unit. If tea leaves remain inside, transfer them to another container. Disassemble the mill unit. To remove the upper mill part, insert your finger in the center and lift it out. Remove the gasket as well. Push the upper mill part with your fingers to remove it. Pull the lower mill part out by its shaft. Remove the gasket as well. Gaskets can be washed with water, but must be dried thoroughly afterward. Do not wash or wipe the upper or lower mill parts with water, as this may cause rust. Use the provided brush to remove matcha powder residue from the grooves of both mill parts. You can also wipe them with a dry cloth. Use the provided brush to remove matcha powder residue from the grooves of both mill parts. Wipe the tea leaf container with a dry cloth. After cleaning, reassemble the mill unit. Start by attaching the lower gasket with the top side facing upward and aligned with the protrusions. Hold the shaft of the lower mill part and align the grooves on the back with the protrusions on the lower mill. Next, align the grooves on the back of the upper mill part with the protrusions on the upper mill. Ensure the upper mill part is positioned horizontally. Align the 3 tabs with the indentations on the upper gasket. Connect the upper and lower mills. Ensure the gasket's tabs are not bent or crushed when fitting them in securely. Reconnect the mill unit to the tea leaf container. Align the black circles vertically and then rotate to lock it. Return the mill unit to the main unit. Replace the top cover, ensuring the direction is correct.